I'll be live with Iyke Phelim. This morning we are going to be harvesting some lemons. We need lemon to do our lemon tea this morning. So my wife, which one should we harvest? That's one lemon there. Those are some lemons. See, lemons. We have lots of lemons. There's another one. One lemon. Another one.
I like to get that one, but my hand will not reach.
Okay, let me help you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so help me with this. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fresh lemon. So take.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
I'm gonna be using it for lemon tea. Lemon tea, fresh lemon tea. Okay, guys.
I'll be live with Iyke Phelim. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. See ya. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye bye. Lemon. Surprisingly, this tree is just how many? I think it's just about a year old or going to 2 years. And it's already producing lots of fruits. So the next video I'll be doing is just maybe I'll layer it, get a good branch, do layering so I can have more of it producing fresh lemon fruits.
And surprisingly, it doesn't grow too tall.
But that branch is very high. And if we leave it, it's going to form a strong stick and begin to bear branches up there. No, we'll leave it. The more the merrier.
Exactly.
You can't have more than enough lemons. Lemons work very well. They go very well with all our foods. We're cooking soups, we're making tea, we're just doing lemon water. Anyone. Such an amazing fruit. And see this one we come hide for this place. See.
Wow.
See another one we hide. These things, you have to watch very well, or else you will not see them. See this one.
Wow.
See. Alright, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Watch out for more videos, educative videos. Maybe the next one will be discussing the health benefits of lemon.
Okay.
We'll be discussing the health benefits of lemon. All right, let's go and make our lemon tea. See ya.